Hello everyone, my name is Hrigvi Singh Banafar. Today I'll be presenting on the topic Forensic Ballistics, which is an important branch of forensic science dealing with firearms, bullets, and gunshot related evidence. This presentation includes a brief introduction, the definition of forensic ballistics, followed by important questions and answers. What is forensic ballistics? Forensic ballistics is the branch of forensic science that deals with the examination of firearms, bullets, cartridge cases, gunshot wounds, and shooting incidents. It helps determine how a firearm was used, the distance and direction of firing, and whether a particular bullet or cartridge was fired from a specific weapon. Forensic ballistics plays a crucial role in criminal investigations involving firearms. So let's look at the questions. First, the number of lands and grooves in a .32 caliber pistol is usually. The correct option is option A, 6. Standard .32 caliber pistols generally have 6 lands and grooves, which impart spin to the bullet for stability during flight. Second, the study of bullets after they leave the barrel is known as. The correct option is option C, external ballistics. External ballistics deals with the behavior of the bullet after it exits the firearm, including trajectory, velocity loss, and stability. Third, the presence of tattooing indicates the range of firing as. The correct option is option B, close range. Tattooing is caused by unburned powder particles embedding into the skin and is usually seen at close ranges, typically up to 30 centimeters. Fourth, who developed the first ballistic comparison microscope? The correct answer is option A, Goddard. Kelvin Goddard developed the ballistic comparison microscope in 1925, which enabled side-by-side comparison of bullet striations. Fifth, bullet diameter is measured in. The correct answer is option D, both inches or caliber and millimeter. Bullet diameter may be expressed in inches or caliber such as .38 or in millimeters such as 9 mm. 6. Blackening or smudging around an entry wound is due to. The correct answer is option D, all. Blackening is caused by a combination of hot gases, smoke, and gunpowder residue, usually seen in close-range firing. 7. Rifling in most automatic pistols is. The correct answer is option B, right twist. Most automatic pistols have right-hand twist rifling, which helps stabilize the bullet during flight. 8th, a contact shot shows which of the following? The correct answer is option A, scorching and tattooing. In contact shots, hot gases cause scorching, while gunpowder particles embed into the skin and muzzle imprint may also be seen, which is tattooing. 9th, test firing in ballistics uses. The correct answer is option D. All of the above are possible. Water tanks, bullet traps, and sandbags are used to recover bullets or cartridge cases intact for comparison. Last question. Who classified firearms into shoulder-fired and handheld types? The correct answer is option C, Gurley. Gurley's 1909 classification was based on the method of holding or supporting the firearm and is fundamental in forensic classification. To conclude, forensic ballistics is a vital discipline that helps reconstruct firearm-related crimes by scientifically examining weapons, ammunition, and gunshot evidence. It assists investigators and courts in establishing facts related to shooting incidents. Thank you.